Do you keep pressing Alt plus Shift while working in AutoCAD? This is our second free plugin. It does one simple job. It helps people who use the English version of AutoCAD but write annotations in their own language. Let's see. I start a mtext command in English. My system language set as English. As soon as the text command starts, AutoLNG changes my keyboard language to Russian, so I can start typing right away. When I finish the text, the keyboard switches back to English automatically. I use the familiar short command CO and launch the copy command. As you know, short commands are randomly renamed in localized versions of AutoCAD, but now this is no longer a problem. No need to switch the keyboard myself. Small feature that makes me feel more comfortable. Hello there, I'm Michael, and this is AVC School. AutoLNG is made for people who use the English version of AutoCAD or BricsCAD, but write annotations in another language. Many professionals prefer the English version because the documentation, commands, and tutorials are all in English. The only problem is changing the keyboard language all the time. AutoLNG fixes that. It detects text commands, switches to your text language, and switches back when you're done. The plugin is also easy to configure. You can choose which commands activate it, and you can choose which languages it switches between. For example, you may use the German version of AutoCAD, but type annotations in Turkish without switching language. AutoLNG can do that too. If you're tired of switching keyboard languages all day, give AutoLNG a try. It's completely free. You'll find the download links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.